Today, we are talking about something that is getting a lot of attention in the camera world right now, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And honestly, if even half of what's being teased and leaked turns out to be true, this could be one of the biggest upgrades we've seen in a compact camera so far. So first of all, the launch is already confirmed. DJI is set to officially unveil the Osmo Pocket 4 on April 16th, 2026 at 12 p.m. GMT. And it looks like this is going to be a global release right away. That means creators around the world, including vloggers and mobile filmmakers, are going to get access to it at the same time. And that alone already shows how serious DJI is about this launch. Now let's talk about what's actually changing. The biggest highlight is the camera sensor. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, which is a huge deal for a device this small. This upgrade should bring much better low-light performance, cleaner footage, and more cinematic-looking videos overall. On top of that, it is also rumored to support up to 14 stops of dynamic range, which means better detail in both bright skies and dark shadows. In simple words, your videos should just look more professional straight out of the camera. Another major upgrade is video quality and color. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 may support 10-bit D-Log recording, which is something usually found in high-end cameras. This allows for over 1 billion colors and gives creators much more control when editing and color grading their footage. So, if you like making cinematic vlogs or travel videos, this could be a big step up for you. Now let's talk about slow motion, because this is where things get really interesting. The Osmo Pocket 3 already does a great job, but leaks suggest the Pocket 4 could go up to 4K at 240 frames per second. That means super smooth slow motion shots with much more detail. There's even talk that lower resolutions could go even higher in frame rate, but that depends on heat and processing limits. And that's actually an important point, because in a small device like this, heat management is always a challenge. So even if the hardware is powerful, DJI may still limit some features for stability. AI tracking is also expected to get better with something like ActiveTrack 7.0. That means smoother subject tracking, better face detection, and improved performance even in crowded or fast-moving scenes. And for solo creators, that is a huge advantage because you don't need a second person to follow your shots. Storage might also see a big change this time. The Pocket 4 is rumored to come with built-in storage of around 107 gigabytes with extremely fast transfer speeds. But there is a trade-off here because it might remove the micro SD card slot completely. So while it becomes faster and more reliable, it could also limit expandability for heavy users. Design-wise, DJI is not changing everything. The Pocket 4 will still keep its compact gimbal style with a rotating touchscreen, which is one of the reasons people love this series in the first place. However, there were early rumors about a multi-camera setup, but the latest teasers suggest it will likely stick to a single camera system instead. And finally, pricing. Early estimates suggest the base model could start around $499, with higher versions going up depending on bundles and creator kits. So it is still positioned as a premium compact camera, but one that tries to sit between action cameras and full mirrorless setups. So, overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a serious upgrade, especially for content creators who want high-quality video without carrying heavy gear. But, of course, we'll only know the full truth once it officially launches on April 16th. Until then, it's definitely one of the most exciting camera releases to watch this year.